Well, here it is, guys. It is a brand new to me John Deere 50G mini excavator. It has just over 3,200 hours on it. Seems to run very well. Everything works. I just went through and greased everything. There weren't any stuck grease fittings. Everything seems to be good there. It came with 1 foot, a 2 foot, a 4 foot cleanup bucket, and a 4 foot muck bucket with a hydraulic tilt. And what I'm very excited about is this back scratcher, or it might be a brush rake, but either way, I think this thing is going to come in very handy around here. Now, not only is this going to be super helpful around the house and the sawmill, but I'm also working on getting my contractor's license, so I intend to make some money with it. We should probably take it up to the sawmill right now and do a little cleanup work that's been long overdue since I haven't had a mini hoe here in a long time. This burn pile has been going for about 4 days now. Believe me, this will not put it out. The sawdust is pretty wet, but it will keep going. Although tomorrow we're supposed to get a ½ inch of rain followed by showers for several days in a row. So we'll see how much of this ends up going away. But I've definitely taken care of a lot of my mess with this burn pile here. Well, I've still got more to do, but this really opens things up here. I'm glad to have gotten done what I did. All these flitches I had stacked up over here have been sitting here for well over a year. It was obvious I was not going to get to them, so they had to go. Got a firewood bin. I've got 2x6s over here that are going to go upstairs in my shop, and a couple of cedar flitches that I can make into fence boards. I have a couple of cherry, really gnarly pieces of cherry here that I want to mill into blanks for my lathe, which will be happening soon. And I've got some more cedar here that needs to be dealt with. I don't know that any of it's usable. And a bunch of firewood to cut up. I got a load of scrap steel to recycle. But this thing is going to help immensely. This brush rake is going to help a lot with cleaning up all my down trees from that windstorm I showed you guys a few videos ago. Well, guys, that's going to do it. I have a feeling that watching me clean up the mess is not nearly as fun as watching me make it, so I'm going to finish all this up off camera. Stay tuned to my next sawmill video, though. It should look pretty different around here. I'm still slamming away on that shed for Rob, so I'm going to make videos as I can, but I'm going to be pretty busy for a little bit, so I will report back as I can. But until then, stick around. We'll see you soon.